galaxies. I'm going, coming in hot, coming in hot, coming in hot, coming in. Okay guys, so it's time for me to fold my stuff and basically declutter. So I'm going to like ask the question, will I wear this in college or like post college or like basically adulthood vibes? Like, will I wear this? And if not, it's just going. So let's do that. And I thought I would just talk about how my July went while I do this. So July didn't go as planned. Like, I wanted to get all my visa stuff sorted out. Like, I wanted to have all my visa appointments and basically have a date and like everything sorted out for visa stuff. But unfortunately that wasn't the case. And if you watch my last video, you would know like the full thing. But yeah, and so that was a really like down, like low of like my man. But I did have a birthday party. I think that vlog came before this, just like with my cousin. We did it together and it was really fun. Like, that was kind of like the high of the month. And I would say this month was pretty chill. God, what? Okay, so what was I saying? Yeah, so July was basically, it was okay. Like, I was disappointed about it, but like everything is pretty much going well for the video stuff. Like, I'm gathering everything in the ads and I'll probably go next week. And if I go, I'll vlog that, and hopefully that will be the last visa like process vlog. And I want the next one after that to be like I got my visa, you know. So yeah, I think that was basically the plan. Yeah, July was good. Like, I tried my best with my routines, my workouts. Yeah, like all those stuff. I tried my best, but I was just so disappointed, overmotivated. Like, I was just sort of like sad about everything. So it just took a lot for me to do stuff. But from what happened, I think I did my best this month. So yeah, it was fine. So yeah, let's time lapse this and okay guys, don't mind my undone bed, but I just got ready, so I'm gonna share my goals for August. August is kinda will be my last month in Ghana. So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of preparing to leave type month. So I want to be consistent in my routines this month. Like, the thing about July was I was consistent with like my morning routines, like my devotions and stuff. But the only thing that like went off was like the learning, like stuff like that. So I want to be consistent with my routines and then revive friendships with my own. Revive friendships with my old friends. So like, I moved from Sackey to Accra and I had friends in my old school that I lost contact with, and like I found them again. So I want to like start our friendship again. If it doesn't go well, I mean that's fine. But finish book. I was reading this book but didn't finish it. I'm at page 64, so I want to finish it at least this month. It's a good book, but I don't agree with everything in this book. But it's fine. It's giving me stuff that I didn't know that I agree with. That's fine. Get my visa. Like, I just want to get the visa, and I'm pretty sure I will get it soon. Yeah. Get ready to leave. So basically preparing, like buying stuff, packing, like that kind of stuff. And I'm going to film all those. So tennis at least 2 times a week. So last month actually I'm pretty sure I got that, but yeah. And then move from Ghana to Germany. That'll be like at the end of August. So now for my intentions, I want to grow in my relationship with God. I've been doing that a lot in July and it's great. Speak up for myself. Like if I want something, just say it. If it doesn't go your way, I mean it's fine. But like just speak out. Like that thing. If when I'm getting my head down, like I don't like it, I'm just silent. Think before you speak. Yeah. It's not like what I'm saying, I don't want to say it. I want to say it, but like how I say it. How I structure the sentences is my problem. But I want to work on that. So I'm just working on like speaking slowly. Yeah, so that's all of my like obvious goals. Book on, as I said, I didn't finish this. So. And my favorite product, I haven't even worn it. So my dad bought me shoes for my birthday. Maybe that's a long time ago. Like, I just got them. So these are like Nike. Oh, look at the Nike. I don't know what they call Nike there. Like, so why is it like this? Like this. So nice, 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 so nice. Yeah, so I haven't worn them yet. They're still in the box. I'm treasuring them. I'll wear them. I think maybe going to the airport or when they be there. They're so nice. So that's like my favorite product. That's my like when I got it like that's like my favorite thing. And I just got this yesterday, but this also was my favorite product. Like I've been waiting for Vaseline. I just want Vaseline. Like I never got it, but I just wanted it. Like it's just a good. So this is also one of my favorite products. But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. It's all going to be fine. I think the next video will be something about college or like visa. I'm not really sure, but yeah, stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. It's all in the description, and I'll put on the screen probably that description. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.